Yeah.
What's up, Rich family? You already know what time it is. I'm back again with another banger for y'all. You already know what time it is. Big cooking time. Big cooking time. Big cooking time. Big cooking time.
Rich, gang, bitch, gotta
We cooking today.
on my
We cooking
hit.
today.
Yeah, niggas always talking shit. Wanna shoot, I don't miss.
I'm gonna show y'all how to cook today because I know a lot of y'all don't know how to cook. So we gonna do that. And these is about to be the best shrimp burritos you've ever had in your life. So get ready. Let's get it.
First, we're gonna have to fry a little bit of rice, you know what I'm saying? Because this takes a little bit longer to process the way we do it. Put a little oil in the pan, and then we like to fry it just a little bit before we add water on a low temperature. And just make sure, you don't add too much oil or anything. We're just gonna let that fry for just a little minute. Make sure you mix it periodically. So some of the ingredients we're gonna need for this dish today is gonna be tomatoes, cilantro, jalapeno peppers, onions, and here are just a few of the flavors we have for today's menu. Got a couple backup ones over here just in case, just a little all-purpose seasoning and some jerk and stuff, but I don't think we're gonna need none of that for this dish at all. So, cilantro, tomatoes, onions, and jalapeno. The rice is kind of white. You can see it's turning like more like a white. I'm gonna add in the water. We're gonna add in 2 cups of water into this dish. There we go. Now we're cooking. Give it a stir. I'm gonna add a second cup. And then we're just gonna let this boil. And then we'll come back to this later and add a little bit of flavor. Turn it up a little bit. And this is the flavor that we add for the rice, so actually we can add this in now. Just get a nice little amount of this. Sprinkle it in there. It's kind of hard in there a little bit. You guys can see, it's like stuck. There we go. There you go. We'll add a little bit of that. Stir this bad boy up. And this is gonna give us the flavor in the rice. It's just a phenomenal flavor to add to the burritos. So, let this boil for a while. Yeah, got these tomatoes right here, these peppers. Have to get them all rinsed up. Some hot water. Clean them off real quick, you know what I'm saying? And then we also got some of this right here, cilantro. Get that nice and wet, cleaned up. So we're gonna be using shrimp today. I'm gonna go and season it up. I forgot to mention a few items. This also a part of the ingredients. We got the lettuce, flour wraps, and you can use other packets if you want, but I just choose to use the mild taco. It really helps give it the real taco flavor, burrito flavor. So we're gonna go on and start seasoning these up a little bit. Multi-purpose kind of flavor right here. Just a little bit of this all-purpose right here. And a little bit of onion powder. Then we're just gonna mix it up real quick, give it a nice mix. And this is just the base seasoning. We'll have to season it again in the next process. Some of this taco flavor right here. And then we're gonna save this other pack for the last part. All of it in there. Just kind of mix that up a little bit. You see it got that nice pretty color. Smelling real good. I wish y'all can smell through the cameras because Rick's cut up and fresh. We're gonna come on over here. Set this down. We're gonna get our butter. We got our pan. Get it nice and hot. Put some butter. Nice fat scoop like that. Probably like 2-3 spoons. And we're just gonna saute this. We're just gonna saute this. Veggies. for y'all. Just got it all up there, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna take these veggies and transport them. All in there. A little cilantro right there. Just let that cook for a minute, get hot. And as you can see, the rice is done, so we cut that off. The rice nice and ready. Nice and nice and ready. No, the rice don't take that long. See, the shrimp is cooking nice and good. It's real beautiful. The aroma in the house is just, oh my gosh. I know the neighbors could probably smell this right now. It smells so good. You can see the shrimp is just cooking. I'm just gonna let it cook until it's all the way finished. And then we get into the next steps. So making these delicious, one-of-a-kind burritos. Rich family, y'all tell me what y'all thinking in the comments. Y'all tell me how is it looking, what y'all think. And I'm gonna have a taste tester test these burritos for y'all. As you can see, I added a little aluminum foil in here just to really kind of help protect it. Keep some of that heat in there and kind of speed up the process. Cook the shrimp a little faster. So, depending on what kind of pot you guys are using out there, I mean, you can always use aluminum foil. It's always a good backup trick. So, I'm just gonna let that cook for a little bit longer till the shrimp is completely done. And then bow. I'm about to get right into wrapping these burritos. Family, I'm telling you, the aroma in this place right now is going crazy. It's ridiculous. Oh my God, Rich family. Oh my God. Oh, you peel it back. Ooh, it's hot. Rich family. Rich family. The aroma. It's cooking. We're gonna get our wraps. And what you can do, you can either put them on a stove top and cook them on a pan, or you can put them in the microwave. For video purposes today, we're gonna be doing them in the microwave, just to, you know, kind of speed up this process. But you wanna put a stack in there of this, probably about like a minute and a half, probably be good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drain this. And as you can see, all this flavor and the juices here is valuable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to go back and re-season it because I lose a lot of the flavor and the juices when I drain it like this. Get all that in there. Nice and drained out. Set that there for a second. And then just let this drain. See that goodness. That drain all out. Now that you got all of that pretty much drained out, just want to pour it back in the pan. And ready to go. Put it back on the skillet. Cut it down a little bit. What I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of this flavor to it. Just a little bit of that. And then a little bit. A little bit of that. Then we're ready to go. Much just want to let this cook just a little bit while it don't got all that juice in there. Kind of, I like my shrimp a little. Some people they like their shrimp a little more mushy, but I like my shrimp nice and stiff. You know, like it's a nice bite. You know what I'm saying? So now that that's about ready, come on over here. As you see, we got these ready. Got our cheese here. Got some homemade salsa, some lettuce. We're gonna wrap these burritos up for y'all, show y'all how it's done. So now we got the shrimp ready. We're gonna get over here and get these burritos wrapped up. So as you can see, we got the shrimp right here, done and ready. We got some rice, we got the lettuce, cheese, and we got our station ready and set up. So first, we're gonna grab us some of this shrimp. About a spoonful is about good. These burrito wraps are actually a little smaller than the normal ones we use, but hey, it's all right, you know what I'm saying? Still gonna make it work. For the last burrito. And this got all the flavors of all those vegetables and no seasoning, so it's gonna taste perfect. A little bit of rice. a little bit of cheese. We got ourselves some nice little burritos. Like I said, these are small, so they'll probably actually be a little bit more like tacos, but I don't know. I guess it'd be a challenge to see if I can roll these bad boys or not. So we're gonna start off right over here. And the method is kind of to tuck and roll, which, as you can see, is kind of hard. So I'll bring it over here like that. I'll roll them up real quick. Like that. This is gonna be tight. Like that. Pull him over here. Roll him up. That is 2 burritos right there. And for the last burrito, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my taste tested. We're gonna test this burrito for y'all. And we're gonna see it. I'm gonna also eat one too. So we're gonna see how good these burritos, if they really the best burritos in the world or not. No joke. Alright, y'all. Rich fam, it's time for the moment of truth. I got Mia over here. She's excited. I'm excited. I got my burrito tester right here to test this burrito and tell me his honest opinion. So how we gonna do this is we're gonna go a scale out of 1 out of 10. We're gonna both eat these burritos and we're gonna see what's cracking, alright? Alright, pick your burrito. Mystery choice or what? Nah, it's not. They all the same. You know, it's 3 burritos. Which one's the biggest one? I want the biggest one. Alright. I'm gonna eat this one. We're gonna jump straight into this, y'all. We got the hot sauce over here. Yeah, we got some sauce here too, homemade. So, how much is these worth? I mean, I would probably sell this burrito right around $5. Nice. That looks good. What's in it? So you got shrimp, lettuce, rice, and of course some amazing flavors. You know what that is, right? I mean, I feel you. Hold on. I got you right here. My brother. Thank you. That shit good as fuck. Oh, okay. So out of a scale of 1 to 10, what would you get a burrito? I don't know about it. It got beans in it. No, it got, is it? No beans? There's no beans in it. Just rice, lettuce, cheese, and shrimp. It tastes like it got some beans in it. Looks good. So what would you give it out of a scale of 1 to 10? I give it a 10. Oh, Rich fam. We just got a 10. We just got a big 10. Woo! Of course, Rich family, I can't even lie to y'all. I'm gonna have to give it a 10 too. I feel like I can always do better when I'm cooking, but I honestly don't give it a 10. I was thinking about maybe giving it like a 9.5 or something, but it's just a 10. When I first tasted it, the one shrimp, I'll tell you, it was amazing. I was like, yeah, this is gonna be amazing. So, all right, Rich family, I appreciate y'all so much. I love y'all. If y'all want to learn to make these burritos, just watch my video. You feel me? We lit. We out here. Scram. He done ate his burrito, and I'm out. Peace.